Hi guys, so this video is going to change your perspective about how we are going to study for any subject in CA Inter. Now this video is mainly addressed for CA Inter students who did not make it in your November 22 exams or you're writing your May 23 exams for the first time. I just want you to spend a couple of minutes to understand what we're going to talk about in this video. Now, I'm going to give you a small putty story to understand this. Now, let's say you're running a marathon. Everybody runs a marathon at least once in their life, or you might have seen marathons on TV. Some of them run marathon initially very fast, and then later they slow down and they finish the race. Some of them do it slow in the start and then they go fast in the end. To be honest, both of them, it's little difficult. Only those who can do it exceptionally well can finish it. But 99% of them who finish marathons and gold medal in Olympics are those who run the entire marathon consistently in the same pace, and that's the secret to win a marathon. Why are we talking about this when it comes to CA? It's the same thing. If you are repeatedly not able to clear your inter exams or you're writing it for the first time, there are certain things that you're doing it same thing every time, and that's why you're not able to make it here. Few things have to change. For example, I'm talking about the conceptual study. For example, I'm going to ask you two small questions in CA Inter Law. You know the answer, but you will never know why you're doing it. For example, if I ask you, why do we transfer money to CRR in buyback chapter or redemption of preference share capital? We just do the transfer, we don't know the why for it. Or let me ask another question. Securities premium, you can use it for bonus, buyback, etc. I'm going to ask you a question. Can I use securities premium to buy an Audi car for myself? I'm the director of the company. 99% of you will say answer is no, it cannot be used for that purpose, but the answer is yes, I can use an Audi car for any purpose I want. It's all about learning conceptually. What we are going to do for May 2023 is we are going to have a class for about 9 days class where you will be learning CA Inter corporate law subject. In this class what we are going to focus predominantly is we are going to focus on the concepts. This batch is going to revolve around 90% of conceptual learning and 10% of just memorization techniques. We are now in the year 2023, and in 2023 all the questions are conceptual. They are not going to ask you what are all the disqualifications of auditor listed down for 6 marks. No, one of the small concepts will be tested in the exam for 2 or 3 marks. So this batch is predominantly going to focus on conceptual learning. Let me give you a little details about this batch for you to know further about this. This batch is going to be a predominant face-to-face batch along with online live, which is going to be held in Sankara coaching center in Mylapore. You will be solving more than 200 questions in the class, and in day 2 of the class I will make you write one test in the class, and last day you will write a test in the class where you can see for yourself the difference in the presentation. And this class will have only 30 students max for the offline students, and online live just a few students to make it very interactive. Most important thing is, I know you will not want to pay fees without attending the class, so the fees are marked at a reasonable amount of 3,000 including the class along with the material hard copy which will be given to you. But the most important thing in this video I want to address is the first day demo class. I know today everything has to be given for demo. For that reason, the first day is demo. You can come, attend, experience the class, how law has to be learnt, so that you learn in the class and don't have to go home and learn again. This will be the demo class on day 1, and then if you're interested you can pay fees later. But since we have 30 registrations, if you feel you want to get the slot, you can pay the fees beforehand, attend the demo class. If you don't like it, take the full refund and leave. Nobody will ask you any question after you attend the demo class. If you don't like the class, take the fees and get back home. Now further details, in the description of this video we have given some contact numbers. You can contact those numbers for registration, and also to join the WhatsApp group link is given there to attend the demo class. The class will be on 9th of Feb from 8 AM to 5 PM. This schedule will follow for the next 7 to 8 days, and we will complete the class on 18th of Feb. The idea is in around 9 to 10 days to finish full 100 marks of law, so you can focus on other subjects. All the very best for your exams, guys. Bear me for my sore throat. There might be a small crack in the voice, but class I'll be perfectly fine. Thank you all.